Hi there, thanks for stopping by. I'm so pleased to introduce you to our brand new APG 2.0 Influence Hub and Dynamic VIP Community Ecosystem. You might have the first question: what makes our system so unique and valuable for you? APG Connect isn't just a website. It's a central hub and one-stop destination for affiliates, entrepreneurs, salespeople, and small business owners. You might ask me the second question: what are the benefits for you? We are offering you a limited time opportunity to join our VIP community exclusive membership valued at thousands of dollars for free. I know that sounds like a big claim, but instead of just talking about it, let me give you a quick demo to show you our hub and the incredible benefits you will receive by joining our exclusive community free membership. Okay, now we come into apgconnect.com website. This is a central influence hub. The objective of this hub is to help you boost your income and build your profitable business. So this is the main page. You can see some 21,000 reviews about our system. Full is the APG Connect, and also with the 4 steps to help you make more money and also build successful business. The step 1 talking about ABS business system. Step 2 talking about on-demand webinars. Step 3 talking about to free access our courses, many different type of courses. And last one, which is the one we were going to talk more, is to join our VIP community. Now we're going to make money inside. We have 3 major programs. One is to help affiliate or entrepreneur who want to make money online, so you can register like a webinar. Second one, transform your business to APG 3-step marketing map ecosystem, so you can watch the video and click to learn more. The third program is talking about we have powerful AI tools to help you in 10 to 30 minutes to launching your advertisement in 8 of the major social media platforms. So that's the introduction, and you can see more. We can go into check out about Terry's page. You can go into see more about Terry's, some introduction about some program, free system and tools, etc. Like APG marketing audit report, and you can click to see more. Explain to you about what is this marketing audit report looks like, what the information cover, and show you many data and also reviews online, etc. We also have another system, very powerful, called review system, help you generate more reviews on Google. So now everyone knows reviews very important. No matter what type of business you are, you need a lots of reviews, and also easy to get the reviews. This is a powerful system to help you generate more reviews. We offer free for you to use. Now we're going to next one called webinars. This is the one we talk about on-demand webinars. So you can see there's many webinars. You can go into learning, like internet traffic, list building, copywriting, conversion mastery, SEO, mass traffic. So there's many things you can learn. Besides these 2, you can go into access straight away to learning. Rest of them, we open time to time, and we encourage you register our free member in our community and you will get the invite. So this is the webinars. Then we come into courses section. We have many courses, all relating to help entrepreneur earning income online and building your business. Like we got the 7 steps to freedom, 10K per month, wealth autopilot. I've been told this lady and this gentleman very famous. We got the courses from them. And we also got like a law course, tax, e-commerce secrets, Facebook dominations, PPC secret, etc. For instance, mass traffic, and I mentioned if you wanted to get the free access, you need to join our free VIP community. We're talking about limit time free community membership. Each course value at $497. But if you join our VIP community for free, and you'll be able to access all of those courses. Later on, I will going to show you. We quickly going through to our resources. We have a private vote of the top resources for online entrepreneurs, which under many different categories. We're going to show you inside the community. So again, we encourage you to join our community. Then you have a blog. Okay, so you have blog from me, from many others, marketing experts, in different categories. This is a reviews page, which is all independent reviews in a Trustpilot. Over 21,000, like 4.9 stars as average. That's very high. You can scroll down and learn all the 21,000 real time. And also you got some video testimonial in here to see some happy clients. There's a review section to give you some credibility. Okay, now we're going to community. Now I log in. This is my community membership backend. Beside, you can see some discussion, some announcement, etc. And you have a section called Ask Terry. If you got any question, you can click here and ask any questions. I wanted to highlight this is courses we've been talking about before. Each courses is $497 we're selling. But because we just new launch and we offer our current database, our people for limited time free access, then you can join all the courses for free. So I'm just go through quickly, show you, then we're going to open up a couple of them. You open the course, then you can see it's all the professional production. He's our mentor and group leader, Mr. Wick. So you can see there's a 7 step it goes through, each step with all the videos, plus some action steps as well. We're going to see one more, like mass traffic. This one very good. It's like traffic blueprint. Help Mr. Wick make over $300,000 per month currently. So he goes through all the 5 modules to teaching you all the steps how to get the traffic. This is suitable for any type of business. Now we come into resources section. This is one big section. We can just quickly go through. You got a webinar, you got the annual like a copywriting, and you got the real estate like art of selling from Terry, and when we talk about massive traffic, and also hub building system, sales and marketing automation system here, and webinar system, etc. You click each one, will take you to individual program. So you see on the top bar, we category under business system, traffic generation, list building, copywriting, webinar platform, video tools, wealth building, website and hub building. This real estate section is mine. But the real estate we're talking about in Australia real estate. we just quickly go through, have a look. Like we talk about art of selling solutions to help you. Once you click, it takes you to our program to help you selling property fast by collaborative sales program. You got some testimonials, case study, and some tools, how we use the tools to help you sell property quicker, and also get some FAQs. Once again, we talk about real estate is based on Australia. This is a buyer's agent service. And you can see we got the full type different buyer's agent service, like help you doing idea suburb research, random suburb research, sell or hold program, and also like a comprehensive buyer agent service, etc. And we show you what the benefit you can get. And also we are empowering with 7-step to wealth, this program. And you can see some real testimonials and real case, also some FAQs, etc. Okay, then we come into exclusive webinar section, the one we talk about, and time to time we open in here all the webinars. You'll be able to click and see more. For instance, this one we talk about ABS system. This system helps Mr. Wick generally over $300,000 per month US as autopilot. You can register webinar. You can see some Mr. Wick introduction. Also Terry. We are here to offer you system and business coach program to help you make more money online and also build successful business. Okay, this is the community system we talk about. The membership was over $1,000, but in special launch limit time for offer you for free. So it's a free access. So welcome, and I like to encourage you to join our free membership. So this community is very unique and dynamic. We will continue and commit to add more courses, webinars, resources into this community. We also will collaborate with many other business and also industry experts to build this community. So it's a very interesting, very unique program and system, and will continually add more value to you as a valuable community member. This is our overview of our back-end community system. I'm encouraging you going to register now for limited time, free, exclusive access. Thanks for watching. I'm back now. As you can see, there are significant benefits to join our dynamic VIP community. Let me recap the main advantages. First, you will have VIP only contents. Number 2, exclusive VIP only courses. Number 3, live VIP events are presented by world's top marketers and business experts. Number 4, private resources. Enjoy fresh resources to help you make more money and build your successful business fast and easier. Number 5, special VIP projects and opportunities. Last one, number 6, private VIP community. Connect with like-minded individuals, make friends, build meaningful friendships, and have fun. For the people interested in affiliate marketing, make money online, we offer you a unique program to help you earn ongoing income. For current business owners, we can help you build a custom-free influence hub and a profitable community just like the one you have seen. You might wonder, if it's so good, why is this free? Because we have invested in and own the marketing license. we can offer our good stuff with a freemium program. This is a very popular marketing method, similar to Zoom or Spotify. We offer great value upfront, and some people might buy some good stuff from us or upgrade to premium version. So it's a win-win for all of us. Lastly, our dynamic community system includes Community Plus features like B2C and also B2B system. This means we are collaborating more business resources and inviting industry experts to join us, enhancing our community building and provide even more value to you. Join us now and let's make a great things happen together. See you inside the community. Thanks for watching.